Welcome back to RV Road Report, your ultimate destination for rugged rides, van life luxury, and mobile adventures. If you're all about life on the road, off-grid escapes, and turning every stop into a story, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something sleek, smart, and adventure-ready, the Auto-Sleepers Warwick Duo camper van motorhome. Dressed in a vibrant glossy silver with bold black stripes, this 4x4 beast brings a perfect mix of comfort and capability. Whether you're a weekend explorer or full-time road warrior, this van is built to elevate your journey. Buckle up, this tour is going to be good. Exterior, front view. Let's kick things off with a head-on look at the Auto-Sleepers Warwick Duo, standing tall, the official Auto-Sleepers showroom. That glossy silver body shimmers under showroom lights, while the bold black striping adds a sleek edge to its rugged profile. Right up front, the Auto-Sleepers logo rests proudly on the signature grille, representing decades of quality British engineering. The front lamps are large and modern, offering excellent visibility for night drives. And that strong 4x4 stance? You can tell this camper van isn't just for city roads, it's ready for the wild too. Top side view. Now let's get a view from the top, because the roof of the Warwick Duo isn't just a lid, it's a command center. Up here, you'll find built-in solar panels that fuel your off-grid lifestyle, converting sunlight into steady power for your lights, gadgets, and appliances. There's also a sleek low-profile AC unit installed to handle extreme climates with ease. And check out the compact roof antenna. It keeps you connected, even in remote zones. This isn't just a camper roof, it's your power hub, your connection point, your shelter, and your secret weapon. Back side view. Swinging around to the rear, the Warwick Duo keeps impressing. There's an extra tire securely mounted, because every adventurer knows you don't want to be caught unprepared. Below that, a smart cycle carrier is carefully fitted, giving you space to bring along your mountain bike or scooter. The back doors are sturdy, tightly sealed, and reflect that same bold silver and black theme. Whether you're loading gear, unloading bikes, or just enjoying the rear view, this part of the camper is as functional as it is stylish, built for real road life moments. Side view. Moving to the side profile, this is where the outdoor vibes come alive. The Auto-Sleepers Warwick Duo features a fully retractable side awning, giving you a perfect shaded space to sit, cook, or just chill. Set up a folding table and a couple of chairs, maybe spark up the grill, and boom, you've got your own mobile patio. The rugged long body gives it presence, while the awning turns every destination into a campsite. Whether you're in the woods, near the beach, or just roadside resting, this is your van's built-in lounge zone. Driving compartment. Now step inside the driving compartment, the cockpit of comfort and control. The Warwick Duo is fitted with two crisp LED screens on the dashboard. One screen gives you smooth navigation and infotainment, while the second keeps an eye on the rear with a live back camera feed, making reversing and tight maneuvers a breeze. The premium driver and passenger seats are finished in soft leather with ergonomic support, ideal for long road trips. The panoramic windshield opens up wide views of the road ahead. You're not just driving a van, you're piloting a lifestyle. Sitting and sleeping area. Right behind the cockpit, we step into the comfort zone, the sitting and sleeping area. During the day, it functions as a cozy lounge, complete with a sofa setup and a center table. Ideal for working, reading, or enjoying meals. By night, this area converts into a comfortable double bed. No fuss, no hassle. Soft upholstery, ambient ceiling lights, and cleverly tucked-in storage compartments make this a restful retreat on wheels. Whether it's a power nap or a full night's rest, this space wraps you in comfort every single time. Kitchen. Let's talk meals on wheels, because the Warwick Duo's kitchen setup is compact yet complete. Tucked beside the lounge area, it features a sleek 2-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink, and a mini fridge to keep your food fresh. There's even an overhead microwave if you need to heat up something quick. Upper and lower cabinets give you space for dry goods, utensils, and kitchenware. The small prep area is just enough for making sandwiches or brewing your morning coffee. Compact doesn't mean compromise, it means clever, and this kitchen nails it. Washroom. Yes, this van has a full washroom, and it's seriously impressive for the size. It includes a built-in toilet, a fold-out sink, and a handheld shower, all tucked neatly in a well-ventilated corner. Wall hooks, towel shelves, and waterproof surfaces make it efficient and user-friendly. A small skylight above brings in natural light and fresh air, preventing it from ever feeling cramped. For a van this size, the Washroom is a masterclass in design, a private, practical space that adds real comfort to your mobile life. And that wraps up our full tour of the Auto-Sleepers Warwick Duo camper van Motorhome, a rugged long-body 4x4 machine wrapped in vibrant glossy silver and bold black stripes. It's practical, it's powerful, and it's surprisingly affordable at just $55,000. From solar power to a smart lounge bed, full kitchen, and even a shower, this van is ready to take you wherever the road leads. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from our road warrior community. And don't forget, force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on the next ride, only here on RV Road Report.